Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making chicken fried steak. For your chicken fried steak gravy, for our gravy, we are going to be using sausage, butter, all-purpose flour, salt and pepper, chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, and parsley. Now for our gravy, you want to saute your sausage in a skillet with no oil over medium heat. You want to cook it until it is golden in color, about 3 to 5 minutes. You want to remove the sausage to a bowl. Our sausage is done, so we're going to add it to a bowl. Next, you want to melt your butter. Once your butter is melted, you want to add your flour and stir constantly. Now we are adding our flour, and we're going to mix it well. You want to pour in your chicken broth and stir until everything is combined. As long as you continue to stir, all the clumps will come out. So don't worry about that. You'll end up with a smooth sauce at the end. Then you want to add your heavy whipping cream and your seasoning and your salt and pepper to taste. We are adding our salt and pepper. Then you want to add your sausage back to the skillet, and you want to stir that together, and you have made your gravy. For your ingredients, you want cube steak, salt and pepper, flour, baking powder, baking soda, steak seasoning or any seasoning that you prefer, garlic powder, buttermilk, egg, and oil for frying. You want to add your flour into a dish, add your baking powder and your baking soda and your seasoning. For our seasoning is the steak seasoning, the garlic powder, the pepper, and the salt to taste. You want to whisk everything together to combine. Now let's make our steak. For your steak, you can either buy it cube or you can pound it out yourself. Then you want to season with salt and pepper. In another bowl, you want to add your buttermilk and an egg, and you want to whisk everything together. You want to dip your steak into your flour. You want to cover your steak completely with the flour. Then you want to dip it into your buttermilk. And then you want to put it back into the flour. You want to preheat your skillet with your oil in it. And then you want to fry your steak until it is golden brown. It can take anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes per side. You want to transfer your steak to a paper towel and keep warm. You want to pour your gravy over your steak, and we have made chicken fried steak. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.